Hi, so today we're going to talk about the fifth law of karma, which is the law of responsibility. So the premise of this is that your inside world mirrors your outside world mirrors your inside state. So what does that mean? It means that if there's unease within, whether it be through belief systems, our thoughts, sabotage programs, we will create what we are within in our outside world. So take that how you will. But I think this is a really important law. The law of responsibility I'd nearly put as number one, because without taking responsibility for what shows up in your life, you can't transform it. So in the 12 steps for the AA program, the first law is pretty much to admit that you have a problem, like taking responsibility. So the law of responsibility is so important, even though I think there's two parts. One is that we have made choices or created situations that have led to our present state, and that our inner state reflects our outer world. So that people might find that a bit triggering, depending on, they say, well, I didn't create what is happening to me. Not consciously, definitely not consciously, but it's how we react to things. Like how we react to what's happening in the world at the moment, how we react to losing our job, how we react in relationships, how we handle the situation that shows up in our life, taking responsibility. Once we take responsibility, we can transform it. If we hand our power over to someone else, if we hand over the decisions about our life to someone else or an authority, then we have given our power away. And if we give our power away, then we put ourselves in a victim mindset. So it is about taking back our power. So it's not about blaming, it's not about being reactionary to things that show up in your life. It's actually whatever's showing up right now, I'm going to take responsibility and make choices. And that might mean asking for help. That might mean getting guidance from someone. But at the end of the day, the choice that is happening is your choice that you've made through due diligence. And the choice you have made will be to get you to where you want to go, which goes back to the law of creation. So your vision for the future, you'll then be taking responsibility for the choices you make to get there, not putting it in someone else's hands to make it happen, because that may not have had control over the situation. We may not have had control over what happens, but how we react to it is where our power is. So if our power has been taken from us by a trauma, by a situation that's happened, then we get that power back by where we choose to move on from there, by taking responsibility for what happens in the future. Okay, so tomorrow, the next video will be the sixth law of karma, which is the law of connection. So then we see how that moves on. Every choice we've made in the past has led to this point now, and every choice we make from here on in will lead to our future, and that's the law of connection. So tomorrow, that's law 6. I hope you enjoyed today. If you have any questions about any of the videos, please feel free to send me a DM or put a comment down below, and I'll be more than happy to respond. Thank you.